Hi, I'm Johnny with S&P Tree Service. What is hydroseeding? You may have seen people spraying a green foamy looking substance on the ground where there should be grass. It may look like they're just making the ground look like there is grass, but this process is called hydroseeding. The mixture of water, fertilizer, seeds, and mulch cellulose fibers produce a perfect environment to prevent erosion and encourage growth. Hydroseeding can cover uneven and hard to reach surfaces with the perfect layer of enriched seeds. Get the best advice from the experts at S&P Tree Service.